Consort is a 42-foot Endeavour. It features 2 staterooms and 2 heads. She is cutter rigged, and all the standing rigging was replaced in 2016. All the way aft, there's a fold-down swim platform with a swim ladder. There's additional deck box storage. Consort features a roller furling staysail and a roller furling jib. On deck, there's a large roll-up reel that holds 300 feet of anchor road. Up on the bow, there's a large anchor locker. There's a 12-volt electric windlass with deck foot buttons. There are multiple solar panels on the custom hardtop. There's a custom radar arch with built-in davits. Consort's center cockpit is large and spacious. Down below, the elegant interior is finished in rich Burmese teakwood. It features 2 zones of air conditioning. The centerline dining table folds out. There's additional storage behind the settees. The nav station is to starboard. The galley is to port and features top-loading freezer and refrigeration. There's great storage throughout the galley. There's also a microwave oven. All the way aft is the owner's stateroom with a centerline queen berth and great hanging lockers. There's a private aft head, and the stall shower has been converted into a workbench and storage area. All the way forward is the V-berth guest stateroom. The forward head is to port and features a separate stall shower. The engine room doors feature additional storage. There's a 62 horsepower Perkins diesel engine and a Kohler 8 kW diesel generator. Consort has benefited from a recent refit. Please contact Jordan Yachts for the complete listing information or to arrange for a showing.